Welcome back, everyone. Can you guess what we're going to be unboxing today? Stick around and find out. Today's item is something called an infinity cube. You can buy this from Amazon for about $10. So basically, this is just a fidget toy. So this fidget toy has about 8 cubes, all connected with hinges. As you can see, you can flip it, you can fold it, you can turn it into a cube, and it just goes on forever. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It really helps. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.